Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. Today we're drawing Superman. As we did with Batman, we're going with the Bruce Timm's version, as I think it's the most understandable and thus teachable for our purposes. I've chosen that iconic pose of Superman flying towards us because it's awesome, and everyone should draw it at least once in their lives. Superman was created by Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster in 1938, and no, I wasn't alive back then. For those of you who don't know the story, Siegel and Shuster sold their creation, Superman, to DC Comics for $130. That was not a good deal. As to date, Superman comic books, movies, TV shows, and merchandise have brought in an estimated $10 billion. Anyways, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. And hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw Superman. We're going to draw Superman step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In his flying pose, Superman is about 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is about 4 of those, with his toe and his knee maybe sticking out a little at the bottom. One other thing, Superman's right hand is the closest thing to us in this pose. We'll be drawing it as tall as his head, and even wider. His left hand is farther away than even his head. You'll notice we draw it much smaller than the right hand. We call this technique foreshortening. Okay, enough of that. What do you say we draw the roadmap for Superman? So there's our roadmap for Superman. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Superman's eyes, nose, mouth, some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Superman's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Superman. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Superman, and we don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the final details for Superman. Alrighty, there he is, the Man of Steel, Superman. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Superman before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Superman. With that, you can draw him again and again. By all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Superman. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun with this one as I did. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.